New Year's. Show you the after tomorrow night. Right, Duke? You ready for New Year's? What's up, you guys? It is December 31st. I know when you're watching this video, it'll probably be already 2 weeks, a week into January. So the enthusiastic feeling of a whole new year is probably not there anymore. So I'm glad I uploaded this video today. That way I can refresh that enthusiasm inside of you and remind you that we're in a whole new year. Make sure you're sticking to your good habits that are going to allow you to, you know, accomplish your goals that you had listed for the year of 2022. I thought it would be the perfect moment to vlog these past 2 days, yesterday and today, just because New Year's is actually my favorite holiday. Yesterday, my brother and his best friend decided to take us to a I don't know what it's called, like a racing track, I guess, and they both have matching Corvettes, so it was pretty fun to see them do that. Maybe I need to get a sports car, that way I can join in on the fun. But so that was pretty cool. And then today, of course, is the last day of 2021, and I just wanted to, you know, vlog today. There's not much that I have going on. I'm actually just gonna hit the gym right now and just literally just do cardio because I am so sore from yesterday. But I'll take you along my day and just show you kind of everything that my family, you know, does for the new year tonight going into tomorrow, January 1st. Me personally, I look at New Year's as kind of like, not necessarily like new year, new me. No, I don't look at it like that. Maybe like almost like a breath of fresh air, like it's a whole new year. Not only do you get to like physically write 2022 now, but it's like I have a whole 365 days of a brand new year. Yes, I'm still the same me. Yes, I still have a lot of growing and growth to do in order to be, you know, the person that I want to be. But I think it's just the idea behind like a whole new year that's like exciting. But remember, a new year isn't gonna mean a new me. It's all about the habits and the growth and the effort that you put into really changing who you are. And remember when I was younger, we would try to cross this entire thing, but it was so scary because it opens up now. It's like an old abandoned train track, and we would try to walk across it. The most I ever got was like halfway. See, once you get like a little bit over there, it gets scary. So I'm gonna stop right here. The updated decoration. It is December 31st, and it's the last day of the year. My favorite holiday. And as you can see, we go all out. What's one thing you learned from 2021?
I've learned that don't take everything for granted.
Okay, and then what's one thing you want to accomplish in 2022?
To better relationships and wish everybody good health. Better year than 2021. And love, peace, and lots of faith.
Awesome. All right, my mom put together beautiful decorations. The noodle.
Three parts?
one thing you learned in 2021?
One thing I learned?
Yeah.
How to survive COVID and not get sick.
And what's one thing you want to do, or one thing you want to accomplish in 2022?
One thing I want to accomplish in 2022 is try and get my daughter her house.
There you go. My house.
Yes.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in real quickly. It is 5:22, so we have about 6.5 hours until we ring in the New Year's. I'm actually just gonna get a corn in a cup because I was craving that. I just want to remind you guys, you know, don't give up on the ones that you love. Call the person that you love, tell them that you love them. Chase after the people that you love and give them that chance to develop a relationship with you. Give people second chances, forgive, love, be kind, and also you know, hold on to your loved ones a little closer because we just never know. And there are people who love you. Definitely love them back because love is such a great feeling that not everybody gets to experience. I think that regardless, this is going to be a really great night, and I think it's going to be a really great year. I just have a really good feeling about 2022. Alright guys, well, I'm going to get my corn in a cup, and then I'm also going to go back home, show you a little sneak peek of our final decorations, and then I'll check back in. Alright guys. Alright guys, I just want to show you how packed our fireworks stand is. Our factory outlet is. It goes off in our neighborhood, and then of course I'm waiting for my corn in a cup. I'm freaking stoked, okay? Stoked. Yeah, guys, just check out all those cars going in to buy fireworks. And I got my corn in a cup. I got it. Fireworks, corn in a cup. Fireworks, corn in a cup. Corn in a cup. Guys, if you don't like corn in a cup, I'm telling you, you're missing out. You're missing out. My mouth is literally watering because of how just like amazing these things are. You make, Mom?
I'm gonna make some pico de gallo. Like the best pico de gallo in the whole wide world.
Yeah. Jake, what was one thing you learned in 2021?
One thing I learned in 2021, I don't know.
Not even Mom took this long.
I don't know. Oh, that I'm not young anymore because I broke my arm.
Oh my god. Okay, and
I'm like sick.
And what's one thing you know you're gonna accomplish in 2022?
2022. I'll probably buy another car.
Oh my god. Alright. Alright guys, it is I think like 8:39. I don't know. Let me check. It is 9 o'clock. So we have about 3 hours until 2022. And I'm gonna light some fireworks, the ones that go super high in the sky. So far, this is like my favorite one. It's so pretty. These are my brother's best friends. Dan, what is one thing you learned in 2021?
Learn how to communicate better.
All right. Learn how to communicate better. And then what is one thing that you know you're going to accomplish in 2022?
I guess better communication.
Okay.
I don't know.
And this is his beautiful girlfriend, Natalie. Natalie, what's one thing you learned in 2021? like value people and to like take care of your family and be there for everyone. And yeah. Okay. And then what's one thing that you know you're gonna accomplish in 2022? In 2022, I'm gonna get fit. All right. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
I've been wanting to go to New York for New Year's since I was like 15, and this is as close as I'll ever get.